What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Fantom, guys. It's been an absolute beast. Me and a couple guys in the Discord have been trading it. We've been having some fun. So we're sitting at $1.83. We're up almost 40% in the last 24 hours. We're sitting at a market cap of 4.51 billion. 24-hour volume is 1.99 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto earning app and grab one of their incredible Visa cards, and you get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the hourly chart, guys. Bitcoin just had a major jump all the way from basically 53K down to under 51K, about 50.3K. And if we look at Fantom, this is the correction right here that Bitcoin had. Major correction. And Fantom came down, I believe, maybe 9 or 10%. Came down about 10%. So the bulls are still showing immense strength. And even though Bitcoin has been selling off, we're still seeing Fantom climb. Anytime Bitcoin sees a little bit of green, we're seeing Fantom continuing to climb up here. It was funny because I had sold my trade at $1.63 to take those profits at that resistance, and I re-entered when we broke through. And my liquidation price was $1.49, and a couple of guys in the Discord were trading it as well, and we all had $1.49 as our liquidation. So when we started to come down to like $1.55, $1.56, we're all like sweating, we're chatting. I'm sitting in my chair like rubbing my kneecaps. Usually I would set a stop loss, but because Fantom was showing so much strength, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna let it ride. But I had quite a bit of money in that trade, and so did the guys in the Discord, so it was pretty funny. Guys, quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. Well, we're posting chart patterns, we're posting breakouts, and we have a beautiful community over there, and we're having fun. We win together, and sometimes we almost lose big together as well. All right, guys, so let's hop back into it. So we're here on the 1 hour. Look at the strength, guys. We're continuing to trend upwards as Bitcoin corrects. So we have that next target at about $2.08. Let me just make sure. Let me quickly pop over to the daily here. Make sure my fib is correct. Sometimes when I'm on my phone, it pulls it off. All right, so it looks good. So you can see here on the daily, we are a little bit overextended. We are quite overbought here, but it does look like we're on our way to about $2.08. Could be another great opportunity to take profits as a trader. If you're just invested into Fantom, then enjoy the ride because it's been a fun one. All right, guys, so we broke through the 0.786. So you can see here on the hourly chart, we came right back down to the 20 EMA, and we're seeing that continuation. So your next target is here at $2.08. I'm going to pop over into the 4-hour time frame. Ignore all these orange lines, guys. It's just my alerts for Fantom. So I'm going to open this up so it's more visible here. I'm going to grab my fib. My fib's so far away. All right, guys. So you can see we broke through the 1.272 at $1.63. We just smashed right through it, and we're headed up to $2.08. And then your next price target is all the way up at the 1.618. So maybe Fantom is looking to pull what Sol just did. Sol soared to the 1.618. Let me quickly open up Sol. I made some juicy profits on Sol as well because Sol absolutely soared all the way up to the 2.618. We talked about Sol when it had this breakout right here, and we absolutely exploded all the way up to the 2.618. So is that what's in store for Fantom? Well, if we were to go all the way to the 2.618, it's basically up at $18, $19 for Fantom. And from the current price, that would be a juicy gain of 1,000%. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. I do believe we'll reach that price target on this bull run here. But as of right now, let's focus on the immediate short term. So currently it looks like we're on our way to $2.08. Of course, Bitcoin will slow it down. The bullish strength, you can see the volume here has been very strong, but Bitcoin has printed a large engulfing candle. We broke our previous swing high. We broke our previous level of resistance. So that can be a sign of continuation to the downside. It's not promised. We could find support and bounce back up here, but do keep an eye on that. Fantom doesn't correct hard, but of course, if Bitcoin goes through a major correction, it's going to at least slow down Fantom a little bit. But in my opinion, the bulls are showing extreme strength for Fantom. And it looks like we're heading up to $2.08. If we do roll over, guys, do target $1.65 as your level of support. We have not broke the 55 EMA on the hourly chart, only once right here. We had a bit more of a dump. And even here, we just came under the EMAs and we shot right back up. But since our recovery here in the market, Fantom has just been looking incredibly strong. It's not getting too overextended. I mean, it is overextended, but if you look at Solana on the daily, hold on guys, let me pop it open on the daily. It's just shot up into space. But Fantom, it hasn't quite done that yet on the daily. We are starting to shoot up a little bit here, but I think Fantom has a great opportunity to trend much, much higher, especially if Bitcoin cooperates here. Now, of course, we do have this bearish engulfing, so we could see further correction, 50.4K. We also have this major level of support right here at about 49.5K. But anytime that Bitcoin sees a little bit of green, Fantom's like, see you later, bro, and just takes off. So keep an eye on $2.08, $3.11 are your next price targets here. Your levels of support, $1.63. If we were to correct a little bit more here, let me hop over to the daily chart. If we were to correct a little more here, then you could target the previous swing high down here at about 96 cents. But honestly, Fantom is looking so strong. I don't see it coming down to that price target. All right, guys, that's it for Fantom. It's been crazy. It was so stressful today. We're in the Discord. One guy's like, I'm chain smoking outside of my car while he's watching the charts. I told him I'm sitting here rocking, like rubbing my knees. I should remind you guys to be cautious as a trader and try not to go in with too much money. I went in with 3 to 4 times what I usually go into a trade with because Fantom was looking so good, and then Bitcoin was like shoo. So you have to be really careful. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash that like button, sign up to Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Check out the Discord to stay ahead of the game, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, much love.